how to change text message background on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily change your text message background on your Android device. So first things first, open up the Messages app and then go to your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on message settings, and then you'll see choose theme option. Tap on it and you can see light, dark, and system default. So if you want to change the theme to dark, you just need to tap on it and hit OK. And there you go. It's as simple as that to change the text message background. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.